This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Smith. This lovely split bedroom, open floor plan condo is ready and waiting for you to make it your own. Landscaping, grounds, and pool are professionally cared for, so you can relax during your time off. Enjoy the Gulf Access Canal view from your screened-in lanai, or walk down to the newly installed seawall/dock to enjoy some fishing. If you prefer to fish out on the water, boat slips are available on a first-come first-served basis with only one bridge and under 20 minutes to open water. Your covered parking space and your extra storage room are right outside your front door, close to all that Southwest Florida has to offer. For more information, review the details below.